So some has great diligence, some have less diligence. Depends on your diligence, the difference of success is different. If to explain, if your eye is good and you can see the things clearly, and then if you have good sense of knowledge, you can divide what is wrong and what is right, what is good and what is bad. Similarly, if you practice and sila, samadhi, panya, if those factors are perfect and complete, and then you will be able to divide what is wrong and what is right, what is cause and what is effect. So it will not be delayed to be able to attain noble knowledge. Nowadays, all of you are attending here, but as soon as you came here, you will not be graduated. Only day by day, year by year, and with trying, hard working and learning, and can answer the examination properly, you will be successful and you will pass the examination and you will be graduated. So, to be able to be graduated, you must have strong diligence. Cetatika Viriya, mental diligence. And, mental diligence, and then Kayika, Cetatika, and bodily diligence. So, if they are strong, you will have to practice accordingly. And then you might think, oh, it is a little bit early, then I should take rest, and you sleep, for example. And while you are sleeping, it's useless because you can't get benefits what you want because you are lazy and sleepy because of having no proper diligence. So in this world nowadays, you can look at wherever are developed and improved. Those people have the good and strong diligence whatever they do. Those successful people, they know what should be done, what should not be done. And then as soon as they know what should be done, they never hesitate. And then they perform diligently with great perseverance. And then he try hard, so finally he is successful. So similar to this example, you as a student here, you must try hard. And one thing, you should know that the world, this university, Mahachulalongkorn Raja University is world-class level is number 2. There is world-class number 1 above of this university. So every student must carefully note it. Oh, if we try hard, and most of the students and every students pass, then the condition from level 2 will be arrived to level 1. And then the class will be higher and higher. So this kind of higher condition, you must think you are responsible to try hard for the upper level. Same as you also must practice Satipatthana Bhavana, Vipassana Bhavana by yourself, so that you will be peaceful, and also you can make the opportunity, the others, to be peaceful. So if you don't try hard and correctly and peacefully, and then you will not be share the good results to the others. So you must notice, you must not the same from others. It means you are practicing and following the teachings according to the Buddha's had expounded. So every people, every sentient beings must rely on self. You must seriously and carefully, perseveringly try hard. Then you will be successful. If you are careless diligence, and if you are not properly performance, and then success will not be come to you. The more careful you are, the greater and higher level of success. It is sure. If you practice carelessly, and whoever rely on you will not be free from suffering. So you must correctly and exactly practice. Then sooner or later you will have the result. So if you are properly and surely practice, so yourself will be happy, and the other will also be happy. And one thing, you must have strong decision, or I must become a teacher in a day. So you must have strong determination, and then you will try hard. Then you will be able to share the other people this peaceful and pleasure. Also, teaching, lecturer, CROs and performance, professor must also be careful. Sometimes it is very hard to change the attitude immediately. So if you are unable to change the attitude of the students, and then don't be greedy. Be patient, and with pure metta, you must try to change. Then you can success everything. Without this kind of patience and metta, and you will not be successful. Yesterday, from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m., I have to check and investigate the deep meditation for 3 hours. Some people have to wait for 3 hours, and also they are very patient. Because we don't want to hand over and handle the careless teaching. We must share them the proper teaching and practice. That's why we are trying hard. So as a students, also they must follow what you have been advised. And definitely, surely you must practice. As a teachers, they must have patience. Also, interpreter must have patience. So also you must follow the procedures laid by the CROs. And as go back to the Saddha, conviction and belief, you must have conviction on the Buddha and the Dhamma and the Sangha. The less you have belief on the triple gem, and then you will not be able to do good action or wholesome action. And then you might have done akusala or immoral action. So it is no good. So you must do kusala action or moral action. Then you will be successful all around in your life. Don't have any doubt, whether I will be successful or not. Don't think like this in your mind. If you try with diligence, you must be successful. It is always right in Lokiya and Lokuttara. The Lord Buddha had given the strong guarantee. If you try hard like me, you can also be the Buddha one day. That's why, even though you become BA, MA, or PhD, without your hard attempt and diligence, you will never become a BA, MA, or PhD. Instead of trying hard, you are sleeping or visiting other places, you will never become what you want to be. That's why, with hard working and great diligence and effort, you must try. Some people are the lowest class position and some are poorest. Those people have no diligence. Some middle class have the appropriate diligence, and those are not really poor. For the people who has the highest diligence or their highest class, and they become richest and highest people. So you must be noticed about this status. Here, 1 or 2% only succeed in this examination with flying colors. But the students are plenty. Out of the 10,000, only 2 or 3 passed with outstanding and distinctly. So you must try hard. And also think about Angulimala. He has killed many people for many worlds. Once in this human life, he met with the Lord Buddha. So because of he listened to the Buddha and followed what Buddha taught him, then he became Arahat Mecca and Arahata Po and become the Arhat. So whatever he has done misdeeds in the past, those sufferings was free from, and then he will have not suffering anymore, liberated from those sufferings. So you must try to expel whatever you have done akusalas. So if you want to be the highest status, your diligence must be highest. And then in the twinkling of an eye, you can be successful. And because of your great attempt and then success, then the world-class level, number 2, this university will become number 1. To become number 1, you must have strong determinations. We are responsible to be so. So this way you must decide. As a conclusion, I want to advise you follow the Buddha's teaching every second, every minute, and every hour. So far practice, and then you will be able to free from all miseries, sufferings, worries, and belongs to peace and happiness forever and lately, and then you will realize Nibbana. Thank you.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.